Hello! If you can understand my English story, your English is actually pretty good. Today, I will tell you a story about a scary experience I had when I went to Spain. My sister and I went to Sevilla, Spain, to go see the beautiful buildings and architecture of Spain, eat amazing food, and to experience the culture of Spain. When we went, it was Easter, so there were many parades around Sevilla where many people were marching. But we went out at night and I suddenly got really scared when I saw the parade coming towards me. And there were lots and lots of people in white dresses with white hats that were shaped like a triangle and their faces covered. And they looked like the KKK. Do you know what the KKK is? In the United States, the KKK is a really dangerous group of people, and they are so scary. They also wear white outfits that have a resemblance to the people that we saw marching in Spain. The resemblance was so similar that I thought this was like the Spanish KKK. So I started running away. But then I asked someone from Spain what these people were called. And they are called Nazarenos. They are not the KKK. So I relaxed and realized that the KKK and the Nazarenos have a resemblance, but they are not the same. Okay, did you understand my story? If yes, I am so impressed. Can you tell me what resemblance means? Do you have a resemblance to a celebrity or someone you know? Tell me in the comments. Okay, keep practicing your English every day. You got this.